Hey everyone, I'm Rohan from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to access your Indeed email. Accessing your Indeed email helps you stay on top of job alerts, application updates, and important messages from potential employers. So, let's get started on how to access your Indeed email. Start by opening the Indeed app on your device. Tap the hamburger icon at the top right corner of the screen. Then select Profile. In the Profile section, you will see your contact details including your email address. If you want to update your email, tap the Edit option next to your email. Enter the new email address. And once you're done, tap on Save Email. And that's how you can access Indeed email. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment below if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss our upcoming videos.